Alright guys, I'm going to stand out here. I'm hoping to get some lightning. We're right in the thick of this. I'd say we're up to about 9 inches here. And yeah, so this is what you call a blizzard. You go down here, it's coming right at me. Here's the stairs, everything. I mean, it's got to be 9 or 10 inches. I'm not going to be too picky to try and measure this. It's a lot of snow. And almost whiteout conditions at times. We're not sure if it's officially going to be a blizzard, but the blizzard of 2013 is kicking our ass right now. And there's a lot of damage reports. We also heard about a fire in Wilmington, and one of my followers, ironically, lost everything. And I want to give a shout out to Michaela Lynn from Wilmington and tell her that she's in my thoughts and prayers. Everybody be safe out here tonight, and we'll get back again later.